If you're receiving this message, you may have earned a score on your last test, Chapter 4, that was less than desirable, or you were absent for it. As you know, we discussed the following items today in class. We went over some Chapter 4 content during the warm-up. These were most missed questions on the last test. We worked out some practice problems as a group to reteach, relearn, and review. There is an opportunity for you to complete a redemption set of questions that will be customized to what you missed on the test. This is an opportunity to show that you have mastered previously missed material. This is optional and can only help you. If you miss the test, though, this set of questions will replace the test. Because we also have a 10-question complex number quiz scheduled for Friday, and because I want to be as flexible as possible, I wanted to make sure everyone knows what their options are. So please consider the following. 1. If you feel prepared when you arrive in class tomorrow, you may take the redemption questions during our class period. This would require you to spend time outside of class then, preparing for the complex number quiz using the study guide. I'll pass out that paper study guide in class tomorrow. It's linked on Schoology in the meantime. You will take the complex number quiz on Friday 4-1. If you feel unprepared for the redemption questions tomorrow, this is option 2. You may use class time to work on these topics, with help if needed. This would require you, still, to spend time outside of class preparing for the complex number quiz using the study guide, which I will pass out tomorrow in class and is linked on Schoology. You will take the complex number quiz on Friday 4-1. After that, you may decide to take the redemption questions on Friday after the quiz, or you can complete the redemption questions during a free period on Monday or Tuesday. That is absolutely the last deadline date would be Tuesday, so I can get these things graded and in the grade book to finalize third marking period. In any case, this requires time management, planning, and coordinating with me. I will speak to everyone individually tomorrow about their options too. Please see this document for complex number resources linked in the email, videos, plus answers to the study guide coming soon. Please also see this document for redemption resources linked in the email. Ultimately, the redemption questions can only help you and will contribute to the third marking period. The complex number quiz will also be counted for third marking period. We will start fresh fourth marking period with Chapter 5. Please do not at all hesitate to reach out with questions or about anything at all, and have a great day.